It has come to my attention that some of you who are not from the Great Lakes region are befuddled by the fact that I refer to the giant Great Lakes freighters as boats. Those who reside near salt water state that a boat is something that you take to get to and from a ship. Thus it is questioned whether I, the maritime historian who has written 20 books on the subject, actually knows the difference between a boat and a ship. In fact, I know this is hard to believe, but I do. However, on the freshwater seas, which we call the Great Lakes, by tradition, a vessel of any size is properly and correctly called a boat. So let's review. Saltwater vessel, ship, until it comes to the Great Lakes, and then it's called a boat. Nuclear submarine, boat. A small craft that tows water skiers, boat. A 767-foot Great Lakes ore carrier, boat. Properly and correctly by tradition. Thus we have ore boat, lake boat, grain boat, lumber boat, big boat, cement boat, canal boat, museum ship. Wait a minute. Have you subscribed yet? If you don't subscribe, the Crescent City gets it. Subscribe now. Don't make me do this.